Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make money with likee app. First of all, my name is Ojima AGK. I am a comedian. I made comedy and also post them in this channel. So without wasting of time, I want you to please, anywhere you don't need to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. Make sure turn on the notification bell. It is very important for our next video. I do some YouTube training and many other things. So when in order to make money on likee app, we need to go live, because life is very important on likee, because people are going to be clicking and follow you to asking you some question. You must be at least 18 years. So there is no any explanation for that. You must be at least 18 years. And the other thing is that likee app is not talking of followers. They are not checking your followers. They are checking your beans. There is something on it that is called beans. If you want to know how to withdraw money on Viscuit app, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to tell you how you can withdraw your money, how you can check your beans, how you can get beans on it. Please subscribe, because as you can see now, the people of governor are doing some of the bad thing we don't understand. So no way to be earning money. I want you to start earning money from this platform now. And when you start from it, I think this will be helpful for if you want me to teach you how you can grow on likee app and start gaining money. Please let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. I want many questions that I can answer on the next video. That's what I want. And if you want to see my comedy on the next, let me know in the comment section. We upload all of them to you. I upload video in this channel every single day, 7 days in a week. So please don't miss all this thing, growing and many other things. Just scroll down, scroll up to watch my next video. I love you guys, and I want you to please subscribe. Is very important, and comment.